Alright, so what I have here are some replacement lock and unlock buttons for the Mercedes Benz W204 C300. This is probably for all W204s really, and this is the 2011 model. So what I'm gonna try to do is just take this flathead here, pop these out, and hopefully switch these in. Should take at least less than 5 minutes, hopefully. There goes one. All right, those come out pretty easily. Here's the replacement unlock button. Just gonna slide it right in. And here's the lock button. Looks good. So that probably took all of 2 minutes at the most. Here's the old ones right here. All you need is a flathead and these right here. I'll link these in the description below on Amazon. They're about, I want to say 12 bucks. Kind of pricey, but it looks great, so I think it's worth it. Thanks for watching.